it's Rory from Marvel12 and EpicDroid.com. I am here today to share my thoughts on the HBADA E3 Ergonomic chair. Whether you're a techie, a remote worker, a gamer, or just someone looking for an all-around comfortable chair, stick around because this might just be the chair for you. The HBADA E3 is marketed and priced as a top-tier ergonomic chair. After having used it for about a month and a half, I can confidently say that it lives up to the hype. Once you've ordered the chair, it'll be delivered in a big box that weighs almost 70 pounds. The contents are well packed and very well protected. You will find that there is some assembly required, but HBADA has made it as easy as possible. The pieces are all labeled, the instructions are clear, and it comes with everything that you need in the box. All the parts screw together using the included 5mm Allen wrench. It even comes with this nifty little glove that you can use to avoid getting your hands dirty. Assembly was a cinch, and I got through the whole thing in less than a half hour. The E3 has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any office. The chair comes in either black or white with metallic gray highlights. The chair is stylish and well built, and it doesn't skimp on quality. It's a solid chair made from top-notch materials that will last for many years. The E3 is all about customization and comfort. Almost everything on it is adjustable. You can adjust the height of the chair, the angle of the headrest, the height and width of the lumbar support, the horizontal and vertical angle of the armrest, the height of the armrest, and more. Now, all of that customization can be a little bit daunting, but the instructions also have a great little guide that explains how to adjust each part of the chair. And then if you're like me and you need more of a visual aid or a video, I'll have a link to one of HBADA's videos that was incredibly helpful. Once you've gotten everything customized and fitted, there's only one thing left to do. Sit back and enjoy. The chair's got a lot of great things going for it, but there were two specific things that were standout items for me. The first big thing for me was the lumbar support. I have had a bad back and I've had issues with sciatica for years now. It's been really hard for me to find a chair that has good lumbar support that doesn't set off the sciatica. I've now been using this chair every day, 6 to 10 hours a day for more than a month, and I haven't had a single flare-up. Now, full disclosure, I did have some issues figuring out how to get the lumbar support to stay in place, but once I watched that one video I mentioned earlier, I had no issues, and again, I will have a link to that in the description down below. The second thing I love about the chair is the woven mesh material. It literally feels like I am floating on air. The mesh is super breathable, which keeps you cool and comfortable even during long periods of work or intense gaming sessions. And it provides just the right amount of give and support, making you feel like you're weightless. This thing is a game changer for anyone who spends a lot of time at their desk. As an added bonus, the combination of the mesh seating, the lumbar support, and the adjustable headrest, it makes this chair a perfect place for a quick power nap on your lunch break or after a long day of work. Now, I only have one complaint about the E3, and that is the height of the armrest. I feel like the lowest height is higher than most chairs, and it feels a bit uncomfortable at times. I like the adjustability of the armrest, I just wish they were a teensy bit shorter at that lowest height. Now, that being said, I'm not somebody who uses armrest a lot, and I will often take them off of the chair so they don't get in the way. I will probably end up doing the same thing here. All in all, the chair is awesome, and I absolutely love it. It's not just about the features, it's about the overall experience. The chair has significantly improved my productivity and comfort and has done wonders for my back. Now let's address that elephant in the room, the price. Yes, the HBADA E3 is on the more expensive side, but you really do get what you pay for. The build quality, the comfort, and the ergonomic benefits make it worth every penny. So if you're in the market for a high-quality, comfortable ergonomic chair, I highly recommend the HBADA E3. It's an investment in your comfort and in your health. Just hit the link in the video description down below and add it to your cart. You won't regret it. If you guys have any questions about the E3, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below and we'll reply as soon as we are available. If you've enjoyed this video and if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, I just want to take a quick second to tell you all thank you for watching, thank you for your support, and you all have an awesome day.